The first step in project management is picking the right life cycle, or work pattern that will best fit your project's deliverable. A predictive life cycle goes through 5 phases: initiation, planning, execution, control, and closing. They experience the least amount of change as the project's schedule, scope, and cost are defined at the very beginning. The project team moves in a linear progression, completing each phase before moving on to the next. Stakeholder involvement is limited and happens only at specific milestones. There are fixed requirements, and a single product is delivered to the client. An iterative life cycle also delivers a single product, but instead of a linear progression, phases are performed as many times as necessary. This life cycles approach is to develop minimum viability of the product in the first iteration. The subsequent iterations can then add further product features. Most of the planning will occur throughout the process, with customer feedback informing the next phase, and the priority is finding the best possible solution for the client. An incremental life cycle produces multiple deliveries, where a small usable piece of the project is delivered at the end of each set. Stakeholders provide feedback on each increment, which will inform the next. The small pieces come together at the end to produce the final product. This life cycle is well suited to projects where speed is the highest priority. Agile life cycles are what many companies these days are using for their projects. They are a combination of the iterative and incremental life cycles. They have multiple smaller deliveries and will repeat each phase as many times as necessary until correct. Stakeholders are continuously involved, and change can be easily accommodated without disrupting the work. An agile life cycle works best for projects where the scope is unpredictable, and the highest priority is regular feedback and delivery.